Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a very important topic of Python, that is dictionary. So let's start our video. The contents of today's video is we will cover what is dictionary, how to access items in dictionary, dictionary methods, iteration in dictionary, nested dictionary, dictionary comprehension. Now let's dive into each topics. So what is dictionary? Dictionary allows us to store the data in the form of keys and their corresponding values. The items in a dictionary maintain a specific order. It is possible to change, add or remove items after the dictionary is created. Dictionary items do not allow duplicates. No duplicate keys are allowed. Now let's see how to create dictionary in Python. Dictionaries are defined by using curly braces as shown in this example, and the key value pairs are separated by a colon. That means here we have a dictionary named student, and our key value pairs are name and Bob, where name is the key which must be unique and immutable, and Bob is the value associated to it, and they are separated by the colon. Similarly, age and 20 is another key value pair, and grade and A are the last key value pair in our dictionary. So if we print this, we get our dictionary student as the output. Now let's go and practice this in our Jupyter notebook. Creating dictionary. Let's take the same example. So first I will discuss about creating a simple dictionary with key value pairs. So I will give here simple dictionary with key value pairs. Let me take one dictionary naming like student, and I will give here name and then colon, and I will write here Bob, comma, and age, and let me give 20 and grade, and I will write here A. So this is our dictionary where we have the name, age and the grade of the student. Here name is our key and Bob is the value, and these two values are separated by the colon. Now if we print this, print student, and then let's run this. See, the output is all the items of our dictionary, and if we want to know the type of it, we can print like print and then type of student and parenthesis close. See, we get the class dictionary. So this is how we create a simple dictionary in Python. Next, we can create a dictionary with different data types. Let's see this. Has creating a dictionary with different data types. Now I am creating a dictionary named student info, student underscore info, and then I will give name John, and then I will give age 20, age 20, and then I will give height, and let's say 5.6. So here for name key I gave John as a value which is a string. Similarly for another key age I gave 20 which is an integer value, and for height I gave 5.6, that is a floating point value. Therefore this example has keys with different value types. Now we will print this. Print and then student underscore info, close this parenthesis, and let's run. See, we get all of these items as our output. This is how we create dictionary student info with all their related information. Next is we can also create an empty dictionary in Python. Let's practice this. Hash creating an empty dictionary. This is very simple. Here I give the empty dictionary. Let's say empty underscore dict, and then I will give I give only empty curly braces to it. So this is empty dictionary. Let's print and see this. Print and this empty dict. See, this creates an empty dictionary. Next, we can create a dictionary using dict constructor function. So hash creating a dictionary using dict. In Python, we can use dict constructor to make a dictionary. So let me create a dictionary. Let's say fruits equals to and then I will write dict, and then I can give here name equals to apple, and then color equals to red. So here I have created a dictionary name fruits, where I give the name and color are the keys, and the apple and the red are the values associated with these keys. And here I pass the key value pair as the key arguments to dict. So let's run this. Print fruits, and then see, we get our dictionary. We can check the type also here. If you get confused with that, then see, the class is dictionary. This is how we create a dictionary by using different methods. Now let's move to the another chapter. Now let's talk about how to access values in dictionary by using the keys. We can use the key inside the square bracket. So as shown in this example, we have a dictionary named car, where we store all the information about car. Now if we want to access the items of this dictionary, then we will provide its key name inside the square bracket as shown in the print statement. Now let's go and practice this in Python code, then we will understand it more clearly. Hash accessing items in dictionary, and then I will access value using keys. Let me create a dictionary car, and then I will write here name, and let me give Toyota, and color is, let's say, white, and then year, and that is 2024. Close this curly braces. So this is our dictionary. Here name, color and year are the keys, and the Toyota, white and 2024 are the values associated with the keys. Now we want to access the values using these keys. So if I have to access Toyota, I should write as print car name. This will access the values of the name, which is Toyota. So let me do this. Print car, and then name I should give in this square bracket, and like this, and close this parenthesis, and next I will run. See, I get Toyota. Similarly, for 2024 I should give air. Like if I do here air and run, I get 2024. So in this example, we access the values of name and year using their respective keys. Now let's move to the another chapter. In Python, dictionaries come with several built-in methods. These methods help in manipulating key value pairs. So these are the list of commonly used dictionary methods. Now let's go and practice these dictionary methods in Jupyter Notebook. As dictionary methods. First, let me discuss get method. So yeah, as I explained earlier, this method returns the value for the specified key. If the key is not found, it returns the default value. So first let me create a dictionary. Name my dict equals to, let's say, name Anu, and then is equals to, let's say, 30, and I close this braces. Now I will print value for the specified key called age. So I will print here my day dot, I will use the get function, and I will give the age and close this parenthesis. Let me run this. See, I get 30, but if there is not key, then we can specify the default value, like print my dict dot get, and then let's say there's no height, so we will write height, and then we can specify like not the default value specified, and let's close this process and let's run this. So in this case, height is not there, so it will give the output as not specified. The another method we have is keys. So next one is using dot keys, and then this method returns a list with all the keys in the dictionary. So I'll use the same dictionary. Let me copy this and let me paste. Okay, now I want to get all the keys, so I will print like print my dict dot keys, and then run this. See, we get all the keys of our dictionary, name and age. Next we have is using values, hash 3, and then using dot values. As I mentioned earlier, this method returns a list with all values in the dictionary. So if I copy paste, and then now I want to access values of the dictionary, then I would do like this, print, and then my dict dot values, and then let's run this. See, we get all the values of dictionary from our key value pair. Next we have is items. So using dot items. So this method returns a list with all key value pairs as tuples. Now let me show how. So this is the dictionary. So for using items method, I will print my dict dot items and then parenthesis. So this will give key value pairs as tuple. Let me run. See, we get this output. Name and Anu are our key value pair and it is given in the parenthesis as tuple. Next we have is using update. So fifth is using dot update. Here I have forgotten 4, let's say, and then 3. So this update method updates the dictionary with specified key value pairs from the another dictionary. Now let's see this. Let me copy the earlier dictionary. Yes. Now I will use update method. So I will again create a new dictionary, like say new dict equals to here city and then Tokyo, comma, let me do this only. Now I want to add this city to the original dictionary. So my dict dot update and then I will provide this new and dict. Now let's print, I will print my dict. See, we updated the original dictionary my dict with new key value pair, that is city and Tokyo. Another method is using the pop. So 6 using dot pop method. So this method removes the element with a specified key. Let's practice. I will copy this one and then I will add like this city and then Tokyo. So this is our dictionary. Now I want to remove A's from this. So I will write A's equals to my dict dot, I will use the pop method and then I will provide A's key. So this will pop A's and 30 key value pair. Let's see what happens. I have to print this one. I can print like my date. See, A's is removed from our dictionary. Now let's practice the clear method. So hash 17 using the clear method removes all the elements from the dictionary. So I will use this dictionary copy and then paste, and I will write here like my dict dot clear and then I will print this my dict. So let's run and see. See, there are no items in the dictionary, all are deleted. The next we have is dot pop item. So has 8 and then using dot pop item. So this method of dictionary removes and returns the last inserted key value pair as a tuple. So let me create a new dictionary. Let me paste this one, and now to this dictionary I will update with a new key value pair. So I will write new fruits equals to I will give here, let's say, blueberry, and then I will write the blue and close this. Now I will use the update fruits dot update new fruits, so it will add to our dictionary. So this is our last inserted key value pairs. If I print this fruits, print fruits, and let's run this. See, this is updated. Now let's use the pop item method. So item equals to, I will write here fruits dot pop item, and then it should, so this pop item will remove the last inserted item, that is blueberry blue. Let me print this, print item, and run this. See, we get blueberry and blue as a tuple. If we check the original dictionary, like print, and let's say fruits, then this is our output, and here is no last key value pair. Now let's move to another method, that is copy method, to create a copy of the dictionary. #9 dot using dot copy. I will copy paste this dictionary. So this is our dictionary. I will copy this to a new one. So I will write here new day, and then fruits dot copy. So this will copy the same items from the fruits and store in a new dict. So let's print and see. Print new underscore dict. I will run this. So this is our output, which is same as the original dictionary, that is fruits. Another method we have is from keys. So #10 using dot from keys. This method of dictionary creates a new dictionary with specified keys and common default value. Let's practice. So I will paste this one. So this is our original dictionary. Now I will write keys. We have keys here are like apple and banana, right? So I will provide apple, and then banana. So we have our keys apple and banana. Sorry, I have given here 3. So these are the keys of our dictionary. Now so I will write here default underscore fruits, and then I will fruits dot, and then I will use the from keys method, and I will provide the keys, this apple for apple and banana, and I want to write some default value, let's say unknown, and then close the parenthesis. So this will have common default value, that is unknown, to all of the keys. Let's print and see. Print, and then I can write default underscore fruits, we get unknown in the key apple, and the value for key banana is also unknown. Next is set default. So hash 11 using dot set default. So this function will return the value of key if it exists. If not, it will insert the key with the provided default value. So in the same example of a dictionary, if I do like print and then fruits dot set default, and then I will write here, let's say blueberry is not there, blueberry, and sorry, and then not specified. Let's run this. Why it is error? Sorry, I have given here C not specified. So this is inserted in the key blueberry. So if I print like print then fruits, so this is our dictionary, and the key value pair of the blueberry key is not specified. So this is all for dictionary methods in Python. Now let's move to the another chapter, that is iteration in dictionary. Iteration in dictionary. Now let's see how to use loop through a dictionary in order to access both the keys and values. A dictionary can be iterated by using a for loop. We have different ways of iteration, like looping through the keys, looping through the values, and looping through keys and values. Now let's go in Jupyter Notebook and practice this. Hash iteration in dictionary. Let's practice each methods of iteration. The first is looping through the keys. So I will write here looping through the keys. Let me create a dictionary name, let's say person, and then I will give some information of this person. Let's say name, and I will give Jack, and age I will give 24, and then let's say gender I will give male. Now let's use the for loop. So for key in person, and then colon, and I can print this key. So let's run this. See, we get all our keys. By default, the for loop iterates through the keys in our dictionary. Similarly, we can perform the for values. So hash second is looping through values. The values. So I will copy this same dictionary, copy, and then paste. Now I will use for loop for values. So for value in person colon, and print. Here I have to write print person, and then I will give in square bracket, that is value. Now let's run this. I got the error, I think this one. See, we get all our values. The for loop iterates through the values of our dictionary. Now we will use for loop for both keys and values. So has 3 is looping through the keys and values. So let me copy paste this one, copy and then paste. So in this case I will write here key and then comma and then value and in and person dot items. Colon and then I will print this like key value pair. So here I provide both key and value, and I used items method to loop through both keys and corresponding value. So we can print this key value pair now. See, we get key value pair of our dictionary. Name and Jack, age 24, gender male. This is all about iteration through dictionaries using a for loop. Now let's move to another chapter, that is nested dictionary. Nested dictionary. A dictionary can contain other dictionaries called nested dictionary. They can be useful for storing complex data. Now let's go and practice this in Python code. Has nested dictionary. Let me create a dictionary named student and then now I will create another dictionaries within this dictionary. So I will create their name as a student 1 and a student 2. That's why I will write student 1 and I have to give this like this and then colon and I will create dictionary inside dictionary. That's why curly braces and name is Anu and then is 24 and then let's say department of is computer and then I will close this curly braces and I will create another dictionary that is a student 2 and then I will write let's say name and then I will give Rita and age 22 and then department let's say biology. So these are this information of a student 1 and a student 2 and yes. So this is nested dictionary. I have created 2 dictionaries inside this student dictionary. Now if I want to get Anu as output from this nested dictionary, then I should write as print and then first dictionary is a student and inside that I will give the key. So inside that I will write student 1 and then I will give the key that is name and close this square bracket and this parenthesis. Now let's run and see. I get error in student 1. Sorry. Oh, I forgot here comma. Ooh, print student 1. Name student 1 is not defined. Why? Okay. Yes. See, I get Anu. Similarly, if I do here student 2, then I should get Rita. See, I get Rita. Therefore, this is how we create two dictionaries inside dictionary. Next we have is dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension. It allows us to create dictionaries in more readable or concise way. This is the syntax for dictionary comprehension. As shown in this example, we have calculated the squares of numbers between 1 and 4 using dictionary comprehension using a single line of code. So let's go and practice this in our Python code. Hash using dictionary comprehension. Instead of using for loop in case of large programs, we can use dictionary comprehensions to make it more concise. So to find the squares between like 1 and 4, we can write as like, squares and then x is to x and then x for x in, I will give the range between 1 to 5, so it will give the result between 1 to 4. Now I will print the squares. Print squares. Let's run this. See, we get the squares of 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is how we use dictionary comprehension in Python. Okay, that's all for today. I hope I have explained all of the important features of dictionary in Python. I will see you in the next episode. If you are interested to learn about tuple, set or list, please go to my channel. I have uploaded the detailed video on each topics. If you have any queries, do not forget to comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode.